Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we'll make together the butter chicken. Let's do it. First step, we're gonna marinate the chicken. It's 2 chicken breasts and garlic and ginger mix around 4 full tablespoons and 2 teaspoons seasoned salt and 1 teaspoon paprika. So start to cut the chicken. We're gonna cut it in half first. We start from the thicker part. Just cube. And the second one. And we add all this. Some people will complain about I don't put yogurt in it. I make it my way, and for me as a person, I like it that way, that taste. So if you're interested, try my way and see the difference. Try it, and we're gonna put this away for like 10-15 minutes. While the chicken is marinating, so we'll start to prepare the sauce. What we need for the sauce: 2 red onion, 2 tomato, 1 red pepper, and also 75 grams of butter and some whipping cream, 35%. Let's do this. We'll start to cut those randomly, like a cube. We're gonna blend it after, so doesn't matter the size. The onion. We cut the onion too. So I will start with 1 spoon of ghee or butter. Piece of the butter will prepare already, but I prefer the ghee because add special flavor in it. We'll add the chicken already marinated. And here we go. We don't need it to be perfectly cooked. So we put it aside for now and we cook the sauce. We will take a piece of butter that we already have it. And we'll add the onion. And tomato and red pepper. And right away, when the onion get the color, we will add the red pepper and tomato, all the spice. When the tomatoes start release the juice, we will add two cups of hot oil. So guys, we'll put it low and we will let it cook. Oh, smell amazing, guys. Guys, by now we all know how to make rice. So this is simple rice, there's nothing special in it. So just 2 cups of hot water, cube of chicken bouillon, and 2 cups of basmati rice. So we're gonna blend it, guys. Here is the sauce, guys, after we blend it. Some people like to strain it and take just the sauce, but me, I see like the rest it's just vegetable, chunk a little bit, but you can always fix it with the blender, but if it's not, it doesn't bother me. But some people just need smoothie sauce, so choice. Easier way and doesn't bother the taste at all. So we put it back. So we'll add the chicken, guys. And here it is. We'll put the rest of the butter and the cream. So the cream around half cup. And that's it. We'll let it boil until we got the thickness you want. So some people also add the spiced vinaigrette. Me normally I don't use it. I don't have it in my kitchen always because I don't use it for different style. So if you want to add it, it's okay. If you don't, it's more than enough with the spice we have. So here, guys, everything is ready. So we're gonna serve this. Is that beautiful, guys? Let me try this. Try this, guys. Me, I love butter chicken. Beautiful, guys. You already know what I'm gonna say. I have stuff to do. See you next video. Bye.